Hello students, in the last video we have learnt mean deviation in individual series through mean and median. Okay, and in this video we are going to learn mean deviation in discrete series through mean of the series. Okay students, I request you to concentrate carefully. Okay, let me discuss the points which come under discrete series step by step. So dear students, so if you want to find out mean deviation in discrete series, first you have to know, you have to first find out mean for the above data for these marks, and this is frequency. You have to find out mean in direct method or shortcut method. Shortcut, indirect means here shortcut method. Okay, right. So after finding out mean for the above data, okay, after finding out mean for the above data, you have to find deviations from mean. You have to find deviations from mean, and after that you have to multiply deviations with respective frequency, and after that you have to find out formula. I mean, you have to apply formula to find mean deviation and later mean coefficient. What is the formula to find out mean in direct method, dear students? So here arithmetic mean is equal to summation fx by n. So with this formula you have to find out mean. With the mean you have to compare these marks and find out the deviations and write here. Okay. After that you have to multiply deviations with the respective frequency. You write here deviations and you multiply with the frequency, opposite frequencies. Okay. And after that you have to apply formula to find mean deviation. What is the formula to find mean deviation? Okay, to find out mean deviation, that is equal to, so md is equal to, okay, summation f into d divided by n. That is the formula to find out mean deviation. Summation f into d divided by n. And to find out mean coefficient, so mean, that is coefficient of mean deviation. CMD is equal to, okay, mean deviation divided by arithmetic mean. That's all, my dear students. Please watch the problem carefully. Thank you. Okay, first what you have to do, you have to compute mean. Okay, so here I have given the data here, marks and frequency, and you have to find out fx. Fx means f into x, that is equal to 10 into 8 is equal to 80, 15 into 12 is equal to 180, okay, 20 into 15 is equal to 300, and 30 into 10 is equal to 300, 40 into 3 is equal to 120, 50 into 3 is equal to 150. So you have to sum up all those. So when you add up, that comes to 1130, and you have to denote this with as summation fx, and you have to find out number of frequency. So number of frequency comes to n is equal to 51. Okay students, so the formula is summation fx divided by n. So arithmetic mean is equal to summation fx by n, that is equal to 1130 divided by 51 is equal to, you will get 22.16, and this one you have to take, here. Okay, you can assume this as assumed mean. Okay, deviate 22.16, 22.16, so 22.16. okay, so with this you have to again compare 22.16 minus 10 is equal to, okay, that comes to 12.16. You should ignore pluses and minuses. Okay, you know that. So here 22.16 minus 15 is equal to 7.16, and in the same way 22.16 minus 20 is equal to 2.16. In the same way, 22.16 minus 30 is equal to 7.84. 7.84, and this comes to 17.84, and this comes to 27.84. And after that, what you have to do, these are the deviations. Okay, D for deviations, and you have to multiply deviations with the respective frequency opposite to that. Okay, 8 into 12.16 is equal to, that comes to 97.28. Okay, in the same way, this comes to 85.92. 85.92, and this comes to 32.04. Okay, this comes to 78.40, and this comes to 53.52, and this comes to 83.52. 83.52. Okay, students, you have to sum up this. When you sum up, that is when you total it, that is, you have to find deviation from mean, multiply deviation respective frequency, and you have to total them and denote that as summation f into d. That comes to how much? That comes to 430.68. 430.68. And you have to find out frequency total also. That comes to n is equal to 51. Okay, students, now you have got what? Summation f into d and also n, frequency, total frequency. And what is the formula to find out mean deviation? Mean deviation is equal to summation f into d divided by n. Okay, summation f into d is equal to how much? 430.68 divided by n, that comes to 51. So when you do that, you will get how much? That is equal to 8.44. This is the mean deviation. This is the mean deviation. And now we have to find out coefficient of mean deviation. What is the formula to find out coefficient of mean deviation? Mean deviation divided by arithmetic mean. What is mean deviation? 8.44. Okay, and what is arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean you have found out here. Okay, this is arithmetic mean, 22.16. So when you divide 8.44 with 22.16, you get 0.380. This is the answer. That's all, my dear students. To find out mean deviation in discrete series, these are the steps you have to follow. Thank you so much.